Cool, and that's the dual SDI EPTZ cam, and those are available and shipping now. We have them available both with SDI and with NDI, $499 just SDI, $899 with NDI. Very excited about that product. Very cool product. It's something that I have been asking for over a year. I remember going back to the days when we first went from HD to 4K. Avid was having a problem with the editing of it. So they basically did that region of interest where you could pull HD regions of interest out of a 4K signal. And that's essentially what these guys are doing with the EPTZ camera. Now they've got two flavors of it. One is as a Z cam, which we're all familiar with, but another thing I want to talk about is they have is this EPTZ USB or NDI HX webcam. Can we get a close up on that? There we go. Look at that puppy. This is what we're going to put. We're going to upgrade our conference room to this. I absolutely love this because now I can have a conference room view that's everyone in the conference room all wide. And then I could also have the left side and the right side and even one that's zooming into the people at the other end. So now it's going to be as if I have 3 or 4 cameras in my, well, the wide view of everyone, left, right, and deep. 4 cameras in my conference room with just from one central camera. So I'm very excited about that. These are just starting to ship from PTZOptics. We do have them in stock. And once again, they are 4K cameras that shoot 4K but give you an HD region of interest that's programmable with the EPTZ feature. Glenn, you started talking about it before. Talk to us about how NewTek has that EPTZ, virtual PTZ, and premium access a little bit more.
Right. So two different technologies. So virtual PTZ is basically being done in software. It's taking your 4K frame, cutting it, for lack of a better word, to make it really simple, cutting it into 4 quadrants, giving you upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right, and then maybe a center crop. And that's giving you 4 cameras, and you've got the full wide view. And but you can move it anywhere within there. But that's a great feature for, again, dealing with 4K image in an HD world. The neat thing that they're doing with the EPTZ is that's being done electronically inside the camera itself. The one thing that's neat that I think kind of got alluded to or got skipped over in the video segment is that those 2 outputs, one is outputting the full wide view all the time. So you've always got a wide angle, full view camera coming out. The second one is your EPTZ output. So it's like having 2 cameras in one where you've got a wide shot and a close-up shot out of one camera.
And the PTZOptics folks have their own little app you can download that gives you the full control of the EPTZ. And what I really love about it is if you saw the motion in the video, it's as smoother than a PTZ camera because it's all being done electronically. Now,